Friday, April 19th. Big dump of snow for the last 3 days, and it's just, the sun's just peeked out now. We're going to check on Dad and the Apprentice and find out what's going on. So what are you guys working on today? Looks like door latches.
Yeah, I lost it there. Okay, put the spring in there. Spring, pin. Yeah. Come on this side. That has to be pushed in. Go straight up and down. No. It has to be straight. It has to go straight in. Ready? You got enough or no? You want it's got to go in enough all the way. Yes, so that.
Okay, while those guys were dealing with the door, we'll just see what's going on here. Looks like we got one of the sprockets on there. And we don't have the drive shaft back yet. Looks like Dad's doing some cutting on the exhaust pipe. And would have been farting around with that. So Dad's going to bring the exhaust out from here to down here, because that's the only way it's going to fit. And so he's got to do some fandangling here, because the stuff that was shipped with the Bombardier does not fit exactly, or it's too tight of a fit. And so Dad can only do what he can do. But we indicated that we got the rotor back the other day. I'm still impressed that he managed to get the distributor, or not distributor, the differential in already. So pretty happy with that. The shop down in Winnipeg actually had to do something different with this differential. So the way it's getting installed is different. But these guys are playing around with this, and there's only so much you can do. It's Friday again, so Dad might be slowed down for the weekend. Imagine Perky's probably going home for the weekend again. Gauges were all ordered. I had gauges ordered, but everything was sitting in the queue through Jegs, and so cancel that order and just ordered from Autometer themselves.
Get a pair of gloves if you're delicate in the hands, because you have to grab and push it in.
Are you going home this weekend, Perky?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Right.
Can't get away fast enough from the old guy, eh?
Oh, no.
You guys playing nice?
Yeah. Hey. I'm really fucking hugging right now. No hugging.
Yeah, we got a kind of a no hugging rule. Like,
Okay, push it in, straight in.
Oh, that's fucking better to push in.
Push and hold it.
It's in as far as I can take it, boss.
Sorry. It has to go a bit more.
A bit more here, let me get that.
Pitch it as close to the end as you can. Do you want me to open it and close it?
No, I got it.
Are you sure?
Thank you.
how's he working out as an apprentice? Does he have his moments, Dad?
That's
Or
not gonna work.
Why?
Do you see how I grabbed it there? You can't get by this.
You want it up and down like
Think
that?
a little bit.
Is that how you had it?
Like this. And then you have to pinch it right here. You gotta start paying attention. Let it out a wee bit. In again. figured out now.
Okay, what
I thought I
happened?
did.
If
Nothing.
you put the trigger in behind the slot, it works like hell.
Okay.
Just when you think you're doing good,
I
you know.
just walked away and these guys figured it out. And then they're yelling for the camera. So I think everybody's going to be a lot happier now.
You good? Done enough. Done enough. We gotta press for something else.
Okay.
You wanted the camera.
Okay.
You had her made. I'm going to show you something. It has to be straight or the trigger won't fit in there. Slow down, change glasses or some fucking thing, and let's get with it here. Okay, go.
Push in.
Push it in. Straight in. Catch. Try. Okay, push it in again. Isn't it? It's not as easy as it looks to start off with.
I lost it, I guess.
Okay. Dad just said, what's this wee business? Perky's saying, well, we lost this piece. Well, what's this wee business? So what these guys are doing is they're trying to reinstall the handle on this door. And it's one of the original Bombardier door latch handles. Problem is everything's rotten in behind there. But he wants to use
Mickey
this.
Mouse, right from one
Yeah,
end to the
well,
other.
we've got brand new latches. I just want to state that for the record,
Really?
that you can pull out of stock and install. You're going to have to do some cutting, but then this way you're going to have to screw around with this old shit. And then you can take this old crap at home, take a photo of it, and then post it online, and one of the Quebecers will buy it off you. But if you want the door to close and you want to stop Mickey Mousing with this old stuff, grab the new latch. Okay, well, I'm going to leave these guys be. Perky said this is latched now, it's in.
Yeah.
But,
Hey, that looks like the original piece.
yeah,
Hey.
yeah. As long as you're happy, man.
Oh yeah.
So, you're taking Saturday, Sunday off?
I won't be back till Wednesday.
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 Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Sorry, but
No, that's
duty
fine.
calls at home,
Yeah,
you know.
okay.
Somebody's got to shovel and clean dog shit.
Yeah, yeah.
I know you got that all taken care of, Don, already.
Yeah, okay.
Here, watch this. Do a little bit for Daryl.
Wow, the door's closed.
Hey.
Yeah? Dad just loves it when you slam doors.
Does he?
Yeah, thinks it's the greatest thing. Okay, we'll see you guys later.